Can you guys elaborate a little bit on where we're going from here, maybe a broader vision for when we talk about either opening up or having content portable from any screen to any device? Where would you like to go with that? Where do you see us going in the next several years?
Sure, there's obviously a lot going on in the world and technology in the sense of what's possible. And I think we can only just barely see the tip of the iceberg about what's coming in the next 10 or 15 years. But already it's pretty clear there's a lot of different devices. The iPad is one of them. And consumers, our customers, would like to get access to any content that they can imagine. And they'd like to be able to add web features and communication features to that content. They'd like to be able to see that same experience on any device. So on the wall we have a big screen TV, you have an iPad, there's phones, there's PCs, there's already a lot of different devices. So they'd like the same experience across the different devices. They'd like to be able to do these things at the time of their choosing. So traditional TV has these linear networks and something scheduled at 8 o'clock on Tuesday and so on. Clearly people would like to have a choice of when they do these things. We're beginning to offer that functionality with DVRs and video on demand and that sort of thing, some of the things Jason demonstrated. And then finally, people would like to choose the location where they do these things. So that's the functionality we want to create. There's a lot of different devices coming along. The iPad is just one of them. But we want to be more open. The other piece of this that Jason just demonstrated was, how do you navigate in a world like that? I mean, where you essentially have close to infinite choice of what you might be doing and moving things around different devices and what have you. And I think there again, there's going to be different experiences available depending on the particular device you use. A large number of people today actually have a PC in their lap while they're watching TV. And we can create user interface applications for that maybe are even more exciting than the one you just showed. So, because there's a keyboard that people are using. So I think you're going to see a greater variety of user interfaces, some of which our company may design, some others will be designed by third parties because we need to open this up to the most creativity that we can get. But when you put all this together, I think you have a pretty exciting future for the consumer.